out of storage memory.
All right, folks, here comes Amtrak 7. I'm gonna let Sam do the talking in my video. All right, folks, this is Amtrak 716 Joaquin bound train. MPCU 90225 leads off. The comment card said. With the SC44 Seaman Charger, 2104 in the back.
It's 2104.
What SC44 is that?
2104.
It's 2104 in the back. I guess he want to be the rail fan in action. Bakersfield train now boarding.
Amtrak 716. I touched the train again. Where's Sal?
Sam is always touching the train. $716 is now boarding. Bakersfield train. 716 Bakersfield train now boarding. Comic card set. I've been on the comic card set a long time ago. Looks like Sales Brothers doing the video recording too. All right, it's clear to go. And the Union Pacific's coming. And the Union Pacific's coming on the other side. Uh-oh. And we can't get the Union Pacific. That's what. Hey, you forgot a shoe. All right, I'll point underneath the train. See if that train is good. All right, that's the Union Pacific. Oh man, we can't see it. That's a Union Pacific train. Oh, we can't see the Union Pacific. Dominic and them are seeing it right now. They're on the opposite side. There it goes. It's a freight. It's a manifest. All right, folks. 716 is now per. Looks like a manifest just coming over here. All right, folks, 716 is now at the party. There's a manifest freight train on the other side. All right, folks, here we go. SC44 Seaman Charger. Ah! 2104. Ah! 2104. Why say Oakland Coliseum on 2104? Freaking 2104. Ah! There she goes to Bakersfield, and there's a manifest train we just missed. And there goes the UP manifest train. Sorry we couldn't see the horn on that one. That's a Union Pacific Manifest right here.
Long time no see, 2104.
And I'm gonna record the rest of this freight train going by. Why 21041?
I'm glad I didn't film it though. I don't have any phone memories. I ran out of phone memory, so I couldn't even film it.
Dang. Try to delete some of your stuff you had for a long time on your phone. That's all I did, you know. Alright. This is a Union Pacific, I believe, Manifest train. Sorry we didn't see the engine lead it off because 716 was blocking the view. Yeah. Thank God, they lucky they went on that side of the platform trying to catch that one.
Bro. Why are they slowing down? It doesn't make any sense.
Maybe that's a signal they're about to cross over. Huh. I wonder what's engine leading off of these trains.
Are they gonna stop?
Yeah, it's gonna stop because there's signal down there. Alright, I'm gonna go to the platform.
Same.
I should have stayed over there. Hey, what's leading on that train? Union Pacific? Okay. Must have been a manifest. Looks like this one's about to stop and wait. Yeah, looks like she's about to stop and wait. And Antoine's right there. You know, I'm gonna help him clear off the storage on his phone so he can go back to recording. Yeah, this one's about to stop. Looks like a bumblebee trying to get on the train. And she's about to stop. Yeah. Coming to a halt. Looks like these people out there is gonna be waiting for a while. Yeah. What? And it's gonna stop any moment now. 732 coming at 304. 304. Must be a signal red down there. Could be another manifest train going that way. Still moving a little bit.
Should be coming to a halt right about now.
Yeah. It's gonna come to a stop now, okay? And there it goes, stop. It's the couple. It's the couple. Non-flammable gas. Jack here.
Okay, now I can't go.
All right, folks, I'm finna stop this video. Have a good day.